How's it going, world? Yeah, this is Simon from Crystal Clear Mobile Restoration. This is my mobile detailing business. I'm based from Hackham West, South Australia. I cover pretty much all of Adelaide within 100 kilometres. As you can see, I offer waterless wash, vehicle detailing, headlight restoration, and solar panels, cleaning of them. I also offer cut and polish, rejuvenating your paint. First and second stage. First stage is, or rather level 1 is just a light cut and polish, just rejuvenates the paint. Level 2 is starting with a much coarser cut and polish to restore faded paint and get rid of swirls and light scratches, holograms and stuff, followed by the other sealant. Yeah, just check out my website, Facebook, as you can see, Twitter, Google+. All the pictures are there. Go to my Google Maps, all there. I've been in business for over 6 months, but our business is really slow because of Mad March. I'm getting plenty of traffic to all of my social media and website and stuff, but no one's willing to actually use me at the moment. So I'm just putting this video out there to hopefully kickstart some interest. Anyone who sees this video, please like, please share, please leave comments, because I'm doing everything right in promoting my business, but things are really slow right now. So yeah, thanks for your interest, and book now.